Ikhula ngamandla ingcindezi efakela umengameli wezwe ukuthi enze isinqumo ngokuqokwa kwebhodi elisha le-SABC. iMedia Monitoring Africa ifuna ukuthi inkantolo yezomthetho sisekelo ikhiphe umyalelo ukuthi umengameli wehlulekile ukwenza umsebenzi wakhe odabeni lweBhodi lakwa-SABC. Lesisikhungo esiqaphe ukusebenza kwamaziko ezindaba sifuna ukuthi inkantolo yomthetho sisekelo iphoqe umengameli ekutheni aqoke ibhodi ngaphandle kokuthandabuza.
We were given an assurance in a letter that the president would appoint the board. I think it was in early February, and then the president didn't. So we wrote again to the president and said, please appoint the board, give us written reasons as to why the board has not been appointed. We received no written reasons to that. We gave the president another deadline saying, please appoint by the 17th of February, or give us written reasons. Or if you don't, we will have no choice but to go to court.
Ihhovisi likaMengameli wezwe liphendulile ngalolu daba oselibekwe eThebenzi inkantolo yomthetho sisekelo.
One of those issues is the provision of additional names over and above the 12 shortlisted candidates. There were 3 other names that were provided, and the President has sought clarity as to the legal validity of those names because there is no provision on the Act with respect to provisional appointments to the board.
Monitoring Africa bathi abazilutho ngokubambezeleka kohlelo. Lenhlangano ithi lolu daba luyaphuthuma kanti ulishiya nemibuzo ngokuthi ngabe umengameli unawo inamandla ukushaya indiva amagama alabo abaphakanyisiwe amalungu eshamthetho ekutheni bangene ebhodini le-SABC.